Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to draw a neuron, and it's very easy. A simple trick is to use a hexagon as the base. So as you can see in the video, draw a hexagon roughly and start drawing the dendrites of the neuron. And it's quite simple to do as you can see in the video. So watch till the end and don't miss any steps. Hope you all like this video. If so, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.